Okay, I'm making a teriyaki bacon and egg sub. My bacon, the eggs, and my eggs. Let them fry a little bit. And there's my teriyaki sauce I made. You make teriyaki sauce with mirin, soy sauce, white wine, brown sugar, a little garlic, a little ginger, sesame oil, a little bit, and I put some sauteed onions in it. Okay? Now I smear that on top of eggs, the bacon, onto my sub roll, nice and toasted. There your bacon. I like using 5 strips, I'm greedy. Okay, got that? Go back to my eggs. To get in there. With the teriyaki sauce, you don't have to put anything on it. Everything is seasoned in the teriyaki sauce. It's going to be gorgeous. And I have to flip my eggs. Man, they look good. Okay. Put my eggs again. Okay, got my eggs split. Let them cook for a little while. The teriyaki sauce, mirin, white wine, garlic, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of ginger, soy sauce, brown sugar, and sometimes I throw honey in it, and white wine. All right, remember that. Mirin, white wine, soy sauce, little ginger, little garlic, and brown sugar, and a little dash of honey to give it that really good taste. Okay? Eggs are getting there. Man, oh man, this is going to be good. Like I said, there's my bacon. That looks really good. Look at that nice, perfect bacon. I cooked it in my new wave cooker. It's my cooker. I made that. The other one broke, so I made my own. Pretty neat, eh? Alright, let me go check back on my eggs. Eggs looking good. Alright, let's go assemble. And my beer. You put your eggs on it. Let them run a little bit. You take your teriyaki sauce. Oops. With your onions and stuff in it. Spoon it over like that. And there you have it. Teriyaki, bacon, egg sandwich. Really good. Try it out sometime.